बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मास्टर स्क्रीन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे CS 501 एडवांस कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में। बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स परेशान होते हैं कि हम अपने मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम्स की तैयारी कैसे करें। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात करेंगे विद करेक्ट आंसर्स। तो वीडियो को शुरू से आखिर तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो से आप बाखबर रहें। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एडवांटेज ऑफ रजिस्टर टू रजिस्टर डाटा ट्रांसफर एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज कम्पैक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, Type D instruction format of SRC includes dash ALU register. Option number 1 3, option 2 1, option 3 4, and option D is 2. And the correct answer is option C 4. In dash, only one field is required which specifies the type of operation. 0 address instruction, 3 address instruction, 2 address instruction, 1 address instruction, and the correct answer is 0 address instruction. In Eagle processor, the size of an instruction is either 8 bits or 16 bits, neither 8 bits or nor 16 bits, 16 bits, 8 bits, and the correct answer is option A, either 8 bits or 16 bits. In Falcon A processor, first 5 most significant bits from the IR are fed to a dash decoder. Option 1 5 to 32, option 2 5 to 31, option C 11 to 15, and option D is 5 to 10. And the correct answer is 5 to 32. Program counter holds the memory address of dash previous and current instruction, next instruction, previous instruction, and the correct answer is next instruction. Which of the following is not an example of superscalar processor? Option 1 IAP X88, Intel P6, DEC Alpha 21164, या Power PC 601, and the correct answer is IAP X88. A general purpose digital computer has dash main components 5, 2, 4, 3, and the correct answer is 3. In which of following addressing modes the address of the memory from where the value is to be accessed is given in the instruction? Option A register direct addressing, option B indirect addressing, option C direct addressing, and option D is immediate addressing, and the correct answer is direct addressing. Which of the following RTL descriptions is used to represent the target register of Falcon A instruction? Option A, option B, option C, and option D, and the correct option is option D. What is the instruction length of Falcon E processor? Option A 32 bits, option B 8 bits, option C 64 bits, option D 16 bits, and the correct answer is 32 bits. Almost every commercial computer has its own particular dash language, scripting language, visual language, assembly language, higher level language, and the correct answer is assembly language. In CPU design, dash creates or forms the interface between the data path and the control unit, cache, control signal, ALU या buses, and the correct answer is buses. SPEC stand for System Performance Execution Cooperative, Scientific Performance Evaluation Cooperative, System Performance Evaluation Cooperative, Scientific Performance Execution Cooperative, and the correct answer is System Performance Evaluation Cooperative. Which of the following bits of SRC instruction are used to hold an operand, an address, index, or a branch target register? Option A, the bits 16 through 0, the bits 26 through 22, the bits 21 through 17, the bit 17 throw 0, and the correct answer is the bits 21 throw 17. In SRC, which of the following is a notation which is used to represent 32-bit memory words stored at addressing starting from 56, and the correct answer is option D. In DIVR3 instruction of Eagle, the register dash is used as both source operand and destination operand, and R3, R2, R1 or R0, and the correct answer is R0. Which of the following register is used to enable the tri-state buffers with MBR? Option A, MBR out. Option B, LMBR. Option C, INC4, and option D, MAR out. And the correct answer is option D. Which type of instruction is stored in instruction register? Next instruction to be executed, previously executed instruction, next branch instruction in the instruction sequence, current instruction being executed, and the correct answer is current instruction being executed. In MC 68000, register is used as stack pointer D0, A0, A7, D7, and the correct answer is A7. In Eagle, the maximum number of operands allowed in an instruction are 4, 2, 1, 3, and the correct answer is 2. Dash in example of miscellaneous instruction: halt, call, store, shift L, and the correct answer is shift L. In the 3-bus implementation for the SRC, all the special purpose as well as the general purpose register have dash read ports and write ports: 1 2, 2 1, 2 2, 3 1, 2 read ports and 1 write ports, and the correct answer is 2 1. Which instruction is used to store register to memory using relative address? LAR instruction, LDR instruction, LD instruction, STR instruction, and the correct answer is STR instruction. Execution time of a program with respect to the processor is calculated as, and the correct answer is option B. In assembler that runs on one processor and translate an assembly language program written for another processor into the machine language of the other processor is called linker, compiler, cross assembler, debugger, and the correct answer is cross assembler. Which of the following is the correct RTL description for sign extension of a 5-bit constant, and the correct answer is option 4. Below given RTL description belongs to which state of pipelining? Instruction decode, ALU operation, instruction fetch, memory access, and the correct answer is instruction fetch. Which of the following bits of SRC instruction are used as short displacement or to specify an immediate operand? And the correct answer is option C. From the branch address field in the micro instruction, option A B bits, option C C bits, M bits, A bits, and the correct answer is B bits. The size of data bus of MC 68000 processor is 32 bits, 16 bit, 8 bit, 20 bit, and the correct answer is 16 bits. What is the instruction length of the Falcon E processor? 64 bits, 8 bits, 32 bits, 16 bits, and the correct answer is 32 bits. The instruction fetch procedure generally takes time step 3, 1, 2, 4, and the correct answer is 3. Which notation do we use to name different fields of register in RTL? And the correct answer is option D. Which of the instruction is used to load register from memory using a relative address? LDR, LAR, LD, STR, and the correct answer is LDR instruction. Which one of the following control signal allows the value of register RC to be read? RCE, LCON, RBE, RCON, and the correct answer is RCE. Which operator is used to name register or part of registers in the register transfer language RTL? And the correct answer is option C. Provides a temporary storage for the address of memory location to be accessed? MAR, PC, MBR, LPC, and the correct answer is MAR. Which of the purpose of following Falcon A instruction to call R2, R1? And the correct answer is option C. What is the instruction length of the Falcon A processor? 32 bits, 64 bits, 8 bits, 16 bits, and the correct answer is 16 bits. In Eagle processor, which of the following notation is used to represent the memory word stored at address 8? And the correct answer is option C. In a non-pipelined machine, there would be one instruction processed after an average of dash cycle. Correct answer is 4. Which of the following Eagle instruction is used to initialize all the registers by setting them to 0? INIT, halt, reset, या NOP? And the correct answer is INIT. In type C instruction of SRC, dash bits are allocated for constant value 22, 21, 16, 17, and the correct answer is 17. Almost every commercial computer has its own particular dash language: visual language, higher level language, assembly language, scripting language, and the correct answer is assembly language. The instruction load R1 into R3 plus 20 is an example of which of the following addressing modes? Displacement, register, direct, immediate, and the correct answer is displacement. All of the given examples of register to memory data transfer instruction except LD, ST, LAD, LD, ACC, LAR, and the correct answer is LAR. Program counter and instruction register are normally 16-bit registers. However, in SRC, these are 64 bits, 31 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, and the correct answer is 32 bit. Which one of the following circuit design level is called the gate level? Circuit level, logic design level, machine level, mask level, and the correct answer is logic design level. Thank you watching for this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.